Snake venom, though deadly, is scientifically refined and neutralized to create this life-saving antivenom.
Everything seems to be running smoothly this morning.
Agreed. The new nutrient mix appears to be well received.
Gently now, let's get a baseline.
Vitals are staging on screen 1.
Make sure the pressure regulators are set. All set. Vials are prepped.
Flow rate stable at 98%.
Check the particle counter on filter 3.
Excuse me, could you review this export permit for me?
Of course, let me just cross-reference it with the latest safety certifications.
Okay, Unit 7, you're clear for departure. Monitor temperature closely.
Systems nominal. Cargo secure for transit.
Confirming antivenom shipment flow to Zone 4. All systems nominal.
All set here. Monitors ready? Let's bring them in.
The primary concern is rapid neutralization of the venom and supportive care. Ensure antivenom is administered within the first hour. Any questions on the dosage?
Coming through. We need a room now.
What do we have?
Unresponsive, possible cardiac.
Okay, based on weight and symptoms, the initial dose is 4 vials.
4 vials. Got it. Preparing now.
Doctor, could you check these readings, please?
On it. They look stable for now.
Look at these response times, doctor. The antivenom is showing slower efficacy than anticipated.
I see it. Are there any contraindications if we adjust the dosage?
Okay, I see the anomaly on Sector 7.
Initiating diagnostic sequence now.
All right, let's get him prepped for the antivenom. Stats are dropping.
Starting the IV now. Pressure is 90/60.
Welcome to your final training module. Please approach your designated simulation stations.
The Sector C expansion looks viable with the new robotics integration.
Agreed. Let's model the impact on the current production flow.
Alert. New data stream incoming. The first thing is to stay calm and call for help immediately.
Analysis of Volfrexing. The Usmerwattel insulitabilis and contingent interference antivirus. Then major exposure from napture.
Look at the efficiency metrics on this new dashboard.
The real-time adjustments are optimizing our energy use significantly.